Hey Steve, what are we doing today?
Oh, cutting some wood.
Yeah, our veterinarian wants some wood for a smoker, I think. We got cherry and maple logs, and we're going to be cutting an apple tree down too. Steve's getting his chainsaw. These are not the farm's chainsaws, these are Steve's.
This one in the house tonight.
What's the saw oil kind of?
She's a little fat. Ain't broken my winter stuff yet.
Man, she's boring. She's oil's cold. Oh geez, that's like maple syrup.
She'll warm up.
Especially when we get the saw going. Well, I'll show you guys the logs that we're going to cut up. Well, Steve's getting his chainsaw ready. Something to hay that we didn't wrap, oh well. But these are logs. 2 cherries and a maple. He's starting his chainsaw. Guess he got the chainsaw going. So we're going to be cut in 8-foot sections. So we're going to cut right about here. Oh, let me zoom out. We're going to cut right about here, and he marked on that tree too where we're going to cut. We didn't mark the other tree. We'll probably do that. So he's going to bring the old girl, big girl over, he calls it. I'm right at the end.
Put it in right.
Right here? Right here? Oh, okay.
What's this right here?
Maple. And then